Well, this is the mountain, you know. Cooler vision. So you have different type of Rasta, but when you basically put it out, it's basically the same thing. I will still wear this. You have Marcus Garvey, you have all the man, you know, you have different people, you know, still, you know. But Rasta is a tradition, you know. You have like how you don't have a Christianity, different from Rasta. You have them tambourine, you have them tambourine, you have a drum, and you have a shaker. The food is alcohol stew and them things there, you know. Vegetable. Some Rasta eat fish, you have vegetarian and you have vegan. Rasta don't really preach war, you know, but if you bring war to Rasta will defend themselves. When I preach war, we preach peace. The hill now is a beautiful place, you know. This is all of preparation and things, you know. Well, they must say, well, it is a chosen place, you know, for the elements. You see, the chosen place for the fire, because the judgment are gonna come, you know. A terrible judgment will come. You have got to take the mark of the beast. It says in your hand or your forehead, whether you're small, large or small, rich or poor, free or born, you have to receive a mark in your hand or your forehead. Jess, U.S., us. So that's why Rasta said Jess us. We don't say Jesus. Because Rasta get enough beaten too, you know, in a back of wall and them place there. We get a lot of tribulation. We have to go through hardship. See it? That's how we put on our turban, that's how we move from out of the warfare. They will come right in this, the cooler climate. Blessed. Selasie. Everyone.